Hey, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Mother's Day, let's talk about smart savings for your business. What about running a Mother's Day sale in Shopify? These discounts are great for customers, but they can sometimes impact your profit margins. How do you give customers a great deal without giving away too much? Here is a smart way to manage your discounts by introducing a cap discount. For example, offer 30% off but with maximum discount of $300. This way, customers get a clear save. Customers enjoy Mother's Day savings on higher priced items and your business stays protected from excessive discounts. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely. So, before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips because more festive season tips are on the way. So for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. So after installing it, just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and now let's add for any discount code. I'm adding 30% off for now. I'm planning to go a percentage of 30 with a capping amount of 300. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 300. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher than 300, this capping amount makes sure that the maximum discount amount will be limited to 300 only. And you can also apply the discount to all the products or a specific products or a specific collection. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. For now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customer like that. Let's go for all customers now. And you can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total because I'm adding 100 here means this discount amount will be available only for the 100 first users. And I can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. Now you can set some active days like here from which it should start, the time and when it should end and the time. Those timings of the code is active like if you are planning to run this code or the sale of the Mother's Day of 10 days or a month or 1 week before Mother's Day, then you can set those timings or a start date and end date in this active date section. And if you need, you can also combine this discount code with the existing ones like the product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. Now let's save this changes. I'm checking whether the code has been activated. Now from the discount section, you can see that the 30% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test the setup in our online store. So I'm trying to buy the product of worth 599. I'm adding this to the cart. Now I'm applying the code here. Now you can see that the 30% of the 599, which is 1709, is applied successfully and this customer will be getting a complete value for the 30% off as the discount amount. Now let's test with some other product having some higher price. Now let's test with this product of having a worth 5000. I'm adding our code here. Now you can see that the 30% of the 5000 is greater than 300. Since we have capped our discount code at 300, this customer will be getting only 300 as the discount amount, not more than 300. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 300. We have seen that the 30% of our cart value is higher than 300, but this cap amount makes sure that the maximum discount will limited to 300 only. So that's how you set up a Mother's Day sale in the Shopify App Store with 30% off but capped at $300. So what you're waiting for? Grab the link from the description box and just check it out or try it out from your online store. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also do like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.